Join me as I dive deep into the future of PFE stock and make my bold predictions on what's next for it. Pfizer, one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world, has been a household name for decades, and its stock, PFE, is a staple in many investors' portfolios. But what's been going on lately? Well, just like the rest of the industry, PFE has been facing some significant market trends, from increasing competition to regulatory changes. But despite these challenges, PFE has managed to stay afloat, and some might even say, thrive. Competition in the pharmaceutical industry is nothing new, but lately, we've seen some significant threats to PFE's dominant position. New players are entering the market, disrupting traditional business models, and pushing prices down. And let's not forget about the patent cliff. Many of PFE's top-selling drugs are about to lose their patent protection, which could lead to a significant decline in revenue. Furthermore, the ongoing pandemic has led to unprecedented market fluctuations, making it even harder for companies like PFE to predict and prepare for the future. And if that wasn't enough, PFE is also facing increased scrutiny from regulators, who are pushing for more transparency and accountability in the industry. Add to that the rising costs of research and development, and it's clear that PFE is facing an uphill battle. And yet, despite all these challenges, PFE's stock has been holding relatively steady. So, what's going on? Are investors just being complacent, or is there something more at play here? To answer that, let's take a closer look at what the experts are saying. Recent news and financial reports suggest that PFE is actually doing better than expected. Their Q3 earnings surprised investors, and their pipeline of new drugs is looking stronger than ever. Plus, their acquisition of Array Biopharma has brought in some much-needed talent and expertise. And let's not forget about the growing importance of biosimilars. PFE is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. But what do the experts think? According to a recent analyst report, PFE's stock is actually undervalued, and they're predicting a significant upswing in the coming months. So, what does it all mean? Well, based on the data and expert opinions, I believe that PFE stock is on the verge of a major breakout. Yes, you heard that right. I think PFE is about to make a significant move upwards, driven by their strong pipeline, strategic acquisitions, and growing presence in the biosimilars market. And if you're thinking of getting in on the action, I wouldn't blame you, but don't just take my word for it. Do your own research, read the reports, and make your own informed decision. To recap, we've discussed the current state of PFE stock, the challenges facing the company, and the potential growth opportunities on the horizon. We've also delved into the expert opinions and financial reports that suggest a bright future for PFE. So, what's the takeaway? In my opinion, PFE stock is a buy, and I'm not alone in thinking that. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on PFE stock in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial insights and analysis.